I want to go low photo shoot.
Alright, y'all, so today, guys.
Hey, what is this? I keep slipping.
I ain't sitting no more. Probably because I got jogging shoes on right now. Believe it or not, these shoes right here are size 9. We ain't gonna talk about that. Or are they? This size 10, and I was 11. I'm on my way to size 12, but it'll be cool. I'm not finna answer Jonathan's calls. My shoes are made for this. These are just.
My dad, I ain't on my dad's calls all the time. Why you do all that? That's nice. It reminds me of Justin Bieber Timberlake house.
That's something nice and peaceful and quiet. And peaceful and quiet and peaceful. It's beautiful.
Ooh, what's that?
That big old time. What they told you? Nah, yeah. Go on here and turn around. Man, too bad we can't walk on the trail.
A whole fire over there.
Go get it, so we'll roll it. I don't know what it is.
This girl's not
Hmm?
What's this girl? She's just so good.
That's so peaceful it is around these parts. This camera is not bad at all. A bug. Man, I remember that. I passed the blueberries on this trail. What? Yo, who was that?
It was so spin less and smile more.
Oh, I thought they said the snack that smiles back. Let's get the fruits. Let's see. Binocular time.
The bird talking.
See, that's what makes a trail, especially the ones where you're in the trees and you hear the birds are beside you, they meowing. You finna record? Reporting. Live on the snow. Oh, this is the scenery. Pretty nice. That's a fat tree in there. If only I can zoom in while I'm recording.
That's a fat tree. Like this over here.
Let's see what the camera looks like if I record myself. And my new retwist. My new hairstyle. Yeah, this the one we took chalk on right here. I remember this.
Hey.
It's too bad.
Oh, it looks like they're long.
What? It's a... Watch this. We are officially on the Texas Sunset Trail. The best one, the one with me and Mama dipped. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the trees around it. Look at the nature. Carla Smith. If you hear a suspicious noise, we're dipping. Like the black people we are. Man, this trail right here kinda steep. Imagine riding a bike down. Imagine riding a bike down here.
Oh, he's riding his bike. Get out the way.
Okay.
Get out the way.
Just as I said, imagine riding a bike. Look at him go. My bike ain't built for this. Your bike is. You got the off-road bike. I got a street bike.
I wouldn't ride my bike down here though.
Nah, you know me. If I would've rode my bike, I would've been flying through the trees right now.
Right. Like all these bumps, I'd be scared. I'd be scared to ride my bike down the sidewalk, like down.
Look, since my bike isn't made for off-road, you see how he just bumped over the rumps and easily? My bike would've popped on that first thing. I've been flipping.
I've been flipping and dipping.
A lot of bikers have to go in. So now your bike's built for it, so you go with them.
Yeah.
Look at Tweet. Hey, dude. Hey, Dick. Dude. Dick, dude. Dick, dude. Dick, dude.
I'm getting lost already.
Follow my lead. You know I know the way down this trail. I've only been here like once. It is.
Well, it's a trail, so you have to just go back.
Yeah. How you get lost on the trail? Be careful, this cacti up here, but it's out of the way.
Oh, cacti.
Want me to fight it for you? This trail is so beautiful, yo. I did this before, but it's like I forgot everything. That's why. Look at this. I'm getting all this on camera. I want to use my phone camera because they got better quality. A little bit. I'm gonna get got around these parts because you know these parts right here will knock you out. Look at this. Look at the cacti on the ground. Look at beautiful. I was wondering what that sound was in the forest. I thought it was a snake. I would not do a trail and fall because all them leaves gonna cover everything up. Whoa. Jeez, he called me 3 times. And JJ. Alrighty. We doing a little turn right here. Turn.
How did he ride his bike up here? What does it lead?
Huh?
What does it lead to?
Back up to the top.
To what?
Yeah, with mama. That's perfect. We're gonna finish the trail and walk right to mama. Perfect time to put this camcorder to use. Finally got me something to record. Although I might want to use my phone camera. It's on full battery. And it's ready to rumble. Don't get my shoes dirty. I ain't gonna leave these shoes dirty. Look at Vinny doing it. I never thought Vinny would do this. It's so much better than the trailer from our house. Why did they make it like this? Oh, better be careful. Look what happened if we fail. Man, I'm glad my shoes are dry. Look, you would have fell right into some cacti. You didn't pull a cacti, you would have been like, bam. Look at the cactus right beside us. Remember the time we ate the cactus and it was disgusting? How was Charles made? Watch your head here. Careful.
Ooh, Bella.
What happened? You want me to hold too sweet?
Yeah.
Too Bella, good problem. Watch this camera. Look, watch this Bella. This camera, Bella.
Not this way.
Go ahead, grab on. You don't want to grab? Alright then. You can pee on me. I ain't pinning you down, Bella, cause. Okay, fine, Bella. You grab on. You too tired to grab on? Relax. You'll be fine. Everything's fine. Oh, heck no. Oh, I know where to go. Bella, you better be lucky you're getting held. Chuck would have walked this thing, but cats are lazy. I don't know what it is about foggy rainforest, but you know how awesome it would have been to find a trail in a foggy rainforest with the tweet birds and the tropical animals. You know, a tweet bird clapping his beak. That cheek speak. We're crackheads.
Where you going?
Oh, this way.
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
Oh, arrow.
You went down there.
Huh?
We already went down there.
Oh, shoot. We went the wrong way. We went the wrong way. That's not how I remember to say this. You used to tweet Bella. Enjoy the sounds of nature. Corn, crickle, crackle, crack. Okay, Bella, sleep. You better keep holding on, Bella, cause you gonna wake up on the ground. There's an arrow over there.
Oh.
Go, Bella, don't wake up, don't climb. Bella just woke up instead of climbing. Alright, where's mommy?
I bet you one number two.
Huh? What's that?
Mm-hmm.